Thinking about starting an assisted living facility in Texas? With the state's growing senior population, there's a rising demand for quality elder care, and you can be part of the solution. But where do you begin? In this short guide, I'll walk you through the key steps to legally establish and license your facility. Let's get started. Register with the Texas Secretary of State and get an employer identification number from the IRS. Choose your business structure, LLC, corporation, or partnership. Your facility must meet Texas health and safety regulations. You'll need policies covering resident care, emergency plans, and staff training. Licensing consultants can help with this. Your facility must meet Texas Health and Human Services requirements for safety, accessibility, and capacity. Check zoning laws before securing a site. Submit your application to the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, or HHSC, with all required documents including proof of compliance, policies, and staff background checks. Your facility will undergo safety and staff inspections before approval. Fix any issues quickly to avoid delays. Once approved, you'll receive your official license to operate. Stay compliant with annual license renewals, staff training, and regular inspections to keep your facility running smoothly. By following these steps, you'll build a licensed and successful assisted living facility in Texas. Need help? Check the links in the description for resources and consulting services. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips.